Now you have downloaded LogStash and also extracted it in your user local directory. The next step is to configure it and set some environment variables so that we can easily invoke its executables without specifying the entire path. So bring up your terminal, okay, and open your file. It will be in your home directory, bash rc or bash profile, either one of those files, okay, and then go to, and in this file just create an environment variable called lshome and point it to the directory where you just installed your LogStash. Okay, so ours is in user local LogStash directory. Okay, and also change your path variable and specify the bin directory of your lshome like this. Okay, so now you can invoke LogStash executable without specifying the entire path. Okay, now once you have that done, do a source and your bash profile. Okay, now your environment variable is loaded into the memory, and you can check that by doing echo and your variable name. Okay, so if you see this value, user local LogStash or any value where your LogStash is installed, then we are good here. Okay, and we can also test LogStash installation by running a small data pipeline. So let's do that. It's very easy. So let me show you how it's done. Just type LogStash, okay, -e, right? So we want to execute a pipeline, and we want this pipeline to have an input which will be standard input, meaning your keyboard, okay, and your output will be standard output, standard out, okay, meaning your display. Okay, so basically we are saying let's create a pipeline where my source of input will be my keyboard and my output should be displayed on the screen. Okay, and just write it exactly as this with curly braces, and I will show you why it has this format in our later exercises. Okay, so press enter. Now this will start the LogStash application, so it may take a while. So let me pause here. Now as you can see, the LogStash application has started. So we can enter some data on our keyboard and it will display it on our screen. So let's do it. Welcome to LogStash. Enter. As you can see, it has displayed the exact same value which has been given to LogStash as an input. Okay. As of now, it may not be very clear to you what's happening because this is a very basic pipeline. Okay. In next exercises, I'll show you some actual data pipelines where you can use, instead of keyboard, you can read data from some files and output your data to either Elasticsearch or some SDFS file. Okay, so I'll see you in the next class.